If your mother is a plant lover, then you'll see a lot of unconventional pots around. You can transform anything to a garden pot, where quickly I'll go through on unconventional pots. So the first one is a big oil gallon which transformed to a big cactus pot. This pot made with a thicker plastic and strong enough to sustain years to year. And then the water containers, which is really common to us, and I don't think the plastics are the good option to plant. Then a bigger pot like a oil drum is split it into two parts. So this one is one of my favorite one, the chicken drinkers pot, which we have used a lot of into our rooftop garden. This one is we are growing avocado. Here we are growing pineapple into a big steel bowl. I can remember this bowl we have used earlier for some cooking stuff purpose, and now we are growing some plants into it, and these are really growing so faster, and very little amount of soil are there, so it's easy to move actually. And it also craziest impossible pot by mother. Other than that, I tried in a glass bottle, which mission was not successful at all. Number 6 is very common here, like the color jars. Normally people are not throwing this, so they are just simply planting it out. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. If you have any question or if you like this video, please make sure you like this video and comment below if you have any queries. So thanks for watching.